While studying fashion, do not forget to prepare for your future career in fashion industry. Here are some tips to help you get started. Number 1, build a strong portfolio, compile your best design work and create a professional portfolio. Your portfolio should showcase a diverse range of design, demonstrating your skill and an unique style of yours. Number 2, internship and work experience. Look for an internship or entry level positions for with fashion houses, designers, or any retail companies. Practical experience will enhance your understanding of the industry and provide valuable network opportunities, which, which will help you in future. Number 3, networking. Try to attend fashion events, exhibitions, any kind of exhibitions, and if possible, trade shows to connect with the industry people and what is latest in industry. Try to join fashion related association groups or any kind of fashion community to expand your network and stay updated on the industry trends. All these 3 points, please make a note, will help you to get start of your career.